Setting up the graphics settings on your Xbox Series X can enhance your gaming experience by optimizing performance and visuals. Follow these steps to configure your settings effectively. Step 1. Access the settings menu. Navigate to the home screen of your Xbox Series X, press the Xbox button on your controller to open the guide, then scroll to the Profile and System tab and select Settings. Step 2. Select General. In the Settings menu, choose General. This section contains various options related to system settings, including graphics and display. Step 3. Choose TV and Display options. Under the General settings, click on TV and Display options. Here, you can adjust the resolution, refresh rate, and other display settings to match your TV's capabilities. Step 4. Adjust video modes. In the TV and Display options, scroll down to Video modes. Enable options like Allow 120/80 or Allow Variable Refresh Rate if your TV supports them, as these can improve your gaming performance and reduce screen tearing. Step 5. Configure game mode. Return to the main settings menu and select Preferences. Here, enable game mode to ensure your Xbox optimizes performance for gaming, prioritizing frame rates and reducing input lag. After completing these steps, your Xbox Series X graphics settings should be optimized for the best gaming experience. Enjoy your games with improved visuals and performance.